5 here to check out a unique specialty in classics. This one's a 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air 4-door hardtop. This one's a survivor with only 14,551 original miles on it right now. Listen to this, fuel injected, 283 underneath the hood. That'd be an EJ suffix code, 3-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the chrome bright work up front on this one. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them, check them out. Look at the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Amazing car. Again, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can also call us 507-386-1726. Now, when I say this is a survivor, paint shows its age a little bit. There's imperfections here and there. There may be a thin spot. I'll kind of point out some of those as we go, but you can see it has a nice shine to it. Don't get me wrong, this car will still turn some heads. Cool parts when you pop that hood. It's got the fuel injected engine in it. Riding on wide white wall. Bias ply tires. Chevrolet wheel covers. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see how nice and straight these panels are. This car will also come with miscellaneous receipts for some service work. Also registration receipts. And you can see, like I said, nice straight panels. Paint has a nice reflection in it, so don't get me wrong. Paint still shows well. There's just spots where it shows its age a little. All right, as far as paint coat in this car, 807, so it would be the Onyx Black, India Ivory, and then interior is going to be 676, so that's black and red, cloth and vinyl combination. And as you can see, the ice cream protectors, if you will, plastic covers on them. Stock looking dash, that padded dash, that was an option. CP on the data tag, as well as the EZ tinted glass. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the chrome and bright work on the rear of this car, also in nice shape. A few of those spots I kind of mentioned, a little bit of thin on the paint. A few spots there. Once again, take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the inside of the trunk, the underside, engine bay, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see how nice and straight the panels are on this side also. If you like Tri-5 Chevys, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here. Here's a prime example. Original mile survivor fuel injected 57 Chevy 4-door hardtop. True Bel Air VC VIN indicating the 8-cylinder, and it is a Bel Air C. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. It's like a time capsule in here. Take a look at the door panels. So take a peek at this rear one too. How fun would this be for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows, friends, family, grandkids, kids. Everybody can ride with, have a good time, parade vehicle, all of the above. And the best part, you get to show it off. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. This car has started unbelievable every time. So we're in neutral. No pumping of gas, anything like that. Just turn the key. All right, as you can see, fuel gauge went up. That is working. There's your actual miles, 14,551. I do have the radio on, so it's going to come on. There we go.
At the November, December, amidst all the other distractions that have happened with the holidays, and yeah, all of that.
Top of that dash looks great. See that headliner. Mirrors with the spots. Or spotlights with the mirrors, depending on how you want to look at it. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Very smooth running. And stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will be taking it out on the road, show you how it goes down the highway. Check it out. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. I think we should take a peek underneath the hood. See how that engine bay looks. Of course, the fuel injection emblems, insignia on the side. Let me pause it a second and get this hood open. All right, underside of the hood. And there it is. It's smooth running. There'll be a picture of the data plate in the still pictures as well as the VIN. You'll see the stamping on the block. .283 cubic inch, fuel injected, V8 paired with that 3-speed manual transmission, original mile survivor. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very special 1957 Chevrolet 4-door. This is fuel injected. It is unrestored. Less than 15,000 miles on it. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. And as soon as traffic dies down, we will see how she does on the highway. Very smooth running car, very easy to shift. If you were to drive a new 57 fuel injected Chevrolet, this is what it would feel like. The wipers work on this car. Radio also works.
Monday through Friday at 10:06 and Saturday morning.
And the blower motor works as well. Very smooth ride on the highway. The seats are still in protective plastic. The fuel gauge is showing a full tank. Temperature gauge a little over a quarter of the way up from cold, and the speedometer appears to be working as it should. When people talk about time capsules, an unrestored 1957 Chevrolet with this little miles is clearly one of those. Brakes feel good, no pulsation. Corners very well. Easy to steer. Nice highway ride, absorbing any of those road imperfections. What a collector's piece. Take a look at all the pictures of this 57 Chevrolet unrestored at uniqueclassiccars.com.